provided us with roofing and gutters services. The insurance process was easy. Let us know when the adjuster was going to come out, inspect the home and everything, and get it all settled, and just like a step-by-step process and what to expect. Transformation on our home looks excellent. It just looks like it's more modern now. We're going with, that black sleek look on the outside. So with the new gutters and the shingles that we chose that were black as well, definitely like the way it looks on our house now. The construction workers that came out were very respectful of the property, did a really good job with adding, doing the shingles and the gutters and making sure just everything looked really nice, and that upon completion of the job that everything was cleaned up and everything in the yard. Office communication was great. They were just fantastic, giving you text estimates through your text messages and making sure to detail everything so that you were up to date on everything and also what's going on with the insurance claims. Anyone considering working with Global, I would say you're going to have a really good, complete finished product. At the end, I have recommended Global, to a client of ours, and because I was just that happy with the product. It was just excellent. So definitely exceeded my expectations. Thank you, Global, so much for working with me and also finding the hail damage. That was extraordinary and very helpful. Something that I wasn't getting from the other competitors. So I do really, really appreciate that, because that is a hefty expense. And just getting that through the insurance and everything was super helpful for us. And so I just want to thank you guys again and doing a really good job. Thank you, Global.